Hey guys, how you doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos, and welcome to my Done For You Suite 3.0 review. Well, in a nutshell, Done For You Suite will allow you to get free targeted buyers traffic in less than 48 hours by leveraging the power of high quality social syndication and backlinks with this brand new Done For You system. So now you can leverage the power of #1 ranking with no software to install, no software training to learn, no previous SEO knowledge or experience required, no social accounts creation needed, no content needed besides your URL, and no proxies and no captchas needed. None of that stuff, guys. And with Done For You Suite, guys, you will be able to rank your videos on page 1, do some launch jacking for quick hash, rank your niche sites, rank your e-commerce on page #1, your Amazon listings, your client sites and videos, because you will be getting agency rights as a bonus, and pretty much any URL you can imagine. If you know anything about SEO, you know there are 3 steps for the process. #1 is keyword research, 2 is on-page optimization, and 3 is social syndications and backlinks. For the most part, social syndication and backlinks is the most hardest, toughest, and time-consuming of all 3 steps. Usually what it stops people from achieving the results they're looking for is page 1 ranking, and that's pretty much because the process that it takes. For the most part, you have to buy an expensive software to allow you to do social syndication. Go through all the tutorials just to learn how to use it. You actually have to write or provide content for each campaign you want to submit. You have to create between 25 and 50 different social media accounts just to start using the software. And finally, you have to pay for captchas and proxies to be able to get a good success ratio. Now with Done For You Suite, you don't have to do any of that. So if this is something you may be interested in, please stick with me as I'm going to be showing you the prices and upsells. I'm going to show you the awesome bonuses that I have today for you, and also have a very good surprise for you guys today, because even if you buy it or not, I'm going to be giving you a free bonus at the end of this video just for watching this video. So please stay till the end with me, okay? Also, I'm going to go through a very quick demo where I'm going to show you how I create a campaign in less than 3 minutes. As always, and just to remind you, if you want to get Done For You Suite and all the bonuses that I include for you today, the only thing you need to do is go down below to my description or the fixed comment and click on the link that I left you there. That's going to take you to my bonus page where you can see with more detail, and later on, if you want, again, all the prices and bonuses that I include today for you, okay? Well, with this said, guys, now I would like to show you the prices and upsells and my bonuses. Okay, guys, so here we're inside my personal bonus page. You will recognize it because it has my name on top here, Carlos Digital Chaos, okay? If you want to go into further detail on what each upgrade is all about, you can watch this quick video from Joshua Zamora, and he will explain you about it. Anyways, I will explain you right now. First of all, you have the front end, which is right now costing $33 US, but after launch is going to be costing $67 US, okay? So if you want to grab it for a nice price, you need to hurry up. All right, then you have the upgrade 1, which is a discount that you're gonna lock in for a monthly basis credits, okay? All right, so if you buy the credit, once you finish your credits, you can buy more credits inside your platform, but this is going to cost you much more than if you get this upgrade, where you can get it like, I think it's like 7,500 credits a month for just $47 per month, okay? But the first month you can try a free trial, a trial for just $1, okay? Then the upgrade #2 is the indexer platform, and this will enable you to supercharge your campaigns by unlocking the indexer. So you don't have much to do because the program is going to index the links for you. You will see in my demo now that you have an indexer option. If you don't get this one, you won't get that option, okay? And this costs only $67 as a one-time payment. Then you have the upgrade #3, which is the Video Spy. This will allow you to uncover untapped niche, analyze your competitors, accurately gauge how much traffic you can get from their target niches, and much more. And this will cost you $47 every quarter. That means every 3 months, okay? And finally, you have the upgrade #4. You only have 4 upgrades for this software today, okay? This one is the access to the video sheaf. With this one, you're gonna have access to over 1,200 Done For You videos that you can use right away in your campaigns. So you don't need to be creating your own video if you want to embed a video on your campaign. And this will cost you just $47 as a one-time payment. Okay, some of the bonuses I include for you. If you buy through my link here, you're gonna get agency rights to Done For You Suite that has a value of $197 for free. You also get the sub-syndicator feature, has a value of $197. This is a feature that allows you to properly outsource the submission of your campaigns without having to give full access to your main account, so somebody else can manage this for you, okay? This could be easily sold as an upgrade. The bonus number 3 is the Done For You video embeds for even faster video rankings. This has a value of $97. This is the feature that will allow you to embed a video inside your campaigns, okay? And this is a great feature, guys, because embedding your videos across different sites can be a very time-consuming process. But here, the software will do it for you. The bonus number 4 is the Keyword Bootcamp training with a value of $37. This will show you exactly how to pick up the right keywords to get the best results. Bonus number 5 is Live Client Attraction Bonus Training. Since you're getting agency rights, this training will reveal you exactly how to find clients that are ready to pay you, okay? This has a value of $197. Then we have the bonus number 6, the final bonus. This costs $37 as a value and is the perfect optimization blueprint. This is a training on how to properly optimize your campaigns to ensure you get the best results with Done For You Suite, okay? Of course, this is all covered by a 100% risk-free guarantee. Alright guys, I hope you like the bonuses that I have included for you today. But don't forget that at the end of the video, I'm going to give you an extra bonus whether you buy it or not. And now I would like to go over to the demo where I'm going to show you the dashboard and also how you can create a campaign in less than 3 minutes, okay? Let's go. Alright guys, and here we're inside the dashboard of Done For You Suite 3.0. And first of all, you're going to get here the first page where you get an intro and all statistics, okay? Then on the left we have our navigation menu, but we basically are going to be using this campaigns one here, okay? Here you're gonna have the network info, your credits and subscriptions where you can get more credits, okay, for example, or buy any other upsell, the integrations, your bonuses, your products, the tutorials, the webinar replays, your fact tab, and the help desk. So we're gonna move over to the campaigns and we're gonna create a campaign in less than 3 minutes. Let me show you. Okay, here you have all the campaigns you have done so far. I have created quite a few so far. So now you click on the right and we create a new campaign. I'm gonna put here shoppable. Here we're gonna have to paste the URL where we want the traffic to be driven, the backlinks and the social syndication. So let me paste it very quick. All right, that's the URL right now. And here we need to write our keywords. You can write one by one and separate with a comma. All right guys, so as you can see, I put 6 keywords here. You can put as many as you want. However, it's recommended to put between 3 and 6, okay? So now we just click on next and now we're in step 2. As you can see, there are only 3 steps, very easy. The 4th one is the preview. And here you can click if you want to generate content automatically, okay? Of course, I would recommend you to leave this on. And here you can create content by scraping for campaign keywords, or also you can use the Create software. This is a software that was launched by the same people here about like 3 months ago, and is an AI powered software that creates content based on the keywords or the main phrase that you put on it. So if you want to use this one, you can click in here, choose the language you prefer. In this case, it's going to be English. You can choose your niche where this is going to be, okay? You have plenty niches, as you can see. I already did one like this, so I'm gonna use this, create by scraping for keywords. I leave the English and I will embed a video, which is going to be the same video. Let me paste the URL. All right, so once we paste the URL, we go over to the next step. Okay guys, and here we can choose how many links we want for this campaign, how many backlinks, okay? The minimum is 25 and the maximum is 1000. However, please keep in mind that each link will cost you 1 credit. So if you have like 2,500 credits, you're gonna spend 1,000 credits in this one, okay? So I'm gonna put it in 100, 150, okay? And this is the duration of the campaign, okay? The drip feed. If it is, for example, a video, you can have it like I do in 3 days. But if it is a new page on your blog or an e-commerce, something like that, you wanna make it a bit longer, okay? The maximum is 21 days. So I'm gonna leave it in 3 days. And this is the last option that I mentioned. This comes with the OTO number 2, is the index links. if you don't buy the OTO number 2, you won't get this option here. You will have it always turned off like this. However, if you have it, keep it always on like this, okay? And then we just click on next. Here we just do the preview. This is the campaign name is zappable, the URL is here, my keywords. The title, it says it will be automatically generated, the same as the description. The article, the video URL that I pasted was this one here. How many links? We want 150 links to this campaign, 3 days. So my campaign will finish on Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. And the credit, this campaign will cost me 150 credits. If I agree with everything, I just click here on create. Alright guys, and as you can see, my campaign was successfully created. So that's all, super simple, super easy. Another thing you can see up here, you're gonna have access to all your campaigns, the ones posting, completed, cancelled, the drafts, and the archive. Also, here you have a bar that's going to show you how far is your campaign so far. Depending on the days that you put, this is going to be getting filled with a blue line, with a blue bar, okay? As you can see, this is brand new here, so still nothing yet, okay? Well guys, and that was all. I hope you like it. As you can see, it's very simple and easy. Alright guys, and that was my Done For You Suite review for today. I hope you like it, and more than that, I hope it helps you take a good decision whether you want to buy it or not. Remember that if you want to get Done For You Suite and all the bonuses that I have included for you, the only thing you need to do is go down below to my description or the fixed comment and click on the link that I left you. That's going to drive you to my bonus page, okay? And now the time that I told you before, the bonus that I'm going to give you is a free autoresponder. Yes guys, a free autoresponder where you don't need no credit card. You can build your landing pages, you can send bulk emails, and you can upload up to 500 contacts, okay? The only thing you need to do is send me an email to this email address that you will be seeing here in the screen right now, info@digitalchaos.es, and tell me, hey Carlos, please send me the autoresponder that you promised me in your video, okay? No purchase required. So if you think this video helped you to take the right decision and you like my bonuses, please let me know by giving me a like, or you can give me a dislike. If you didn't like it, no problem. And if you consider it appropriate, you can give me you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on the button here, okay? I would very much appreciate it, and you would help me to reach more people. Thank you for staying all the way to the end with me. Have a great week. Take care, take it easy, and if you have any questions or any comments, just leave me a comment down below. See you in the next one.